Hello everybody, welcome. We all face things in life that try to push us down, because of which we often lose hope and get compromised and say, that's how life is. But the truth is, you were born to be an overcomer. You have an inbuilt spirit to bounce back, and that's how every human being is designed. Bounce back means when you get knocked down in life, you don't stay there down. You rise up back and shine. There is a force breathing in you that strengthens and empowers you to bounce back in life. No difficulty can ever defeat you. It may hold you back temporarily, but it's just a matter of time before you bounce back and rise again. You may be down now, but the good news is that it is not your final destination. Get ready to rise. Get ready for favor. Get ready for breakthroughs. Get ready for emotional healing. In the middle of all the difficulty, you need to speak victory. I will bounce back. If you talk defeat, you're going to be defeated. We all have difficulties. I'm not denying that fact. I'm not asking you to act like it doesn't exist. All I'm saying is pronounce goodness and blessing on your life and say, I will rise and shine. My later days will be better than my former days. Your feet will no more be on a sloppy ground, but on a rock which is safe and secure. Get ready to rise and shine. A few years back, there was a huge flood here in India. I noticed all the different kinds of trees. They were all blown down. Huge banyan trees of 4 feet, around. I saw trees over 100 years feet tall, just lying to the ground. Big trees, small trees. None of them could withstand the force of those heavy winds. But to my surprise, there was this one tree that wasn't blown down. It was the palm tree. It's because God designed the palm tree to withstand the storm. Unlike the other trees, the palm tree is able to bend so it doesn't break. I repeat, the palm tree is able to bend so it doesn't break. A certain kind of palm tree can actually bend in such a way that the top of it almost touches the ground. During a heavy wind, it may stay there for some time, maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, all bent over, and it looks like it's almost gone. But when the wind subsides, dies down, when the storm is over, it stands right back, up to where it was before. All these other trees down to the ground. Now what's the difference? God put bounce back spirit in this palm tree. It may get pushed over, but it's only temporary. Just like the palm tree, even you have the spirit to bounce back, to rise and shine. You may go through difficulties, a loss, a disappointment, but at some point, the winds will stop. The storm will pass. And like that palm tree, you will bounce back, rise and shine. You may be bent over now. You may be facing challenges. Thoughts are telling you it's never going to work out again. No. Get ready to rise and shine. Remember, you have this bounce back spirit in you. When that storm is over, you're not going to be just laying down there. You're going to rise up healthy, blessed, prosperous, and even more stronger. When the palm tree is bent over during a heavy wind, you would think that was damaging the tree and making it weaker. But research shows just the opposite. When the tree is being pushed over and stretched by the strong winds, that's actually strengthening the very root system and giving it new opportunities for growth. When the palm tree strengthens after the storm, it actually is stronger than it was before. Just as this, when you come out of storms of your life, you're not going to be the same. You're going to be stronger, healthier, better off, and ready for new growth. If you want to level up from zero confidence to super confidence, you have to activate your bounce back spirit. When you're in difficult times, you need to remind yourself, I may bend, but I'm not going to break. Remember this, I may bend, but I'm not going to break. Things may be coming against you, but know this, down is not your destiny. Defeat is not how your story ends. Sickness, trouble, not having enough is not permanent. You got to bounce back so that winds will start to subside. Forces that have hindered you will be broken. Powers of darkness will be pushed back. You will see and experience breakthroughs, freedom, joy, victory. The key to super confidence is to activate your bounce back spirit so that in whichever situation of life that you are or you will be, you will not lose hope or get compromised and say, that's how life is. But instead, you will bounce back and rise and shine. Hope you had a great time of learning today. See you in the next session. Stay blessed.